If you're over 50 and you keep telling yourself that it's just too late for me to start YouTube, stay with me for a second. I'm 55. I had no tech background, no camera experience, and about 17 other reasons why I thought I'd already missed the boat. And you know what? I started anyway. If part of you wants to start, and the other part of you is like, who's going to watch me at my age? This is for you. You're over 50. You want to start YouTube, and you're afraid it's going to make you look silly, or nobody will watch, or you'll mess up the tech. I get it. That was me recently. This channel didn't exist 3 months ago. I just got tired of waiting for someone to tap me on the shoulder and say, okay, you're allowed now. So I just did it anyway. That's literally the only reason you're watching me right now, instead of me still thinking about it.
There's something nobody tells you when you're over 50. You're actually valuable on YouTube. You have decades of life experience, actual stories, actual perspective. Younger people don't have that yet. They can't fake it. YouTube isn't only for 22-year-olds with perfect lighting and fast edits. It's for people who are real. We are very real. And you don't need to go viral. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be findable by the people who need you. And that starts with making one honest thing. Let me tell you what starting actually looked like for me at 55. I talked to my phone. I uploaded something imperfect. I winced. And then I did it again. I used ChatGPT to help me plan my first few ideas because I didn't know what to say or how to structure anything. I literally typed, "I'm 55 and new. Help me plan my first YouTube video." And it did. What I did not do was sit around waiting to feel ready. Ready never showed up. I just started with what I had in that moment. You don't need fancy gear. You don't need branding. You do not need an intro sequence. You need one moment of honesty. So, here's your Ketchup Crew assignment. And yes, you're in the Ketchup Crew now. We're not chasing anyone else. We're finally catching up to the version of us that never got a turn. Take your phone. Record a 30-second clip. Answer this question out loud. What do I know now that someone younger needs to hear? That's it. Don't post it, don't edit it, don't overthink lighting. Just record it. Then watch it back. That 30-second clip, that's the start of your YouTube channel. That's literally video number 1. If your voice shakes, perfect. That means it's honest. If your lighting is awful, perfect. That means you didn't stall for 3 more months buying ring lights. YouTube is not looking for flawless. YouTube is looking for people who actually show up. And I'm telling you, from 55 years old, showing up at our age, that counts as double. So here's what I want you to do next. Step 1, film that 30-second clip for yourself. Step 2, come back here and comment, "I did it." That's all you have to type. I did it. And if you want, tell me which part feels scarier right now. Is it being on camera? Is it the tech and the editing? Is it, I'm too old, nobody will care? I'm going to make the next video for the most common answer. Next, I'm walking you through the exact ChatGPT prompt I used to plan my very first YouTube video at 55. Idea, outline, even what to say in the description. If you want help actually building your first video, that one's for you. Ketchup Crew, I'll see you there.